Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Pre-Intermediate 47. Filling in forms. Today we're going to talk about filling in forms. And when we fill in forms, we are often in a formal situation. So we're going to learn some vocabulary we often come across in these situations, like penalty and obliged. We're also going to learn how to use the passive voice in the past, like, I was given a pen to fill out this form. Listen out for some passive sentences in today's movie. Poor Alan is having a spot of bother.
Hello, how can I help you, sir?
Hi, I'm a foreign teacher, and my manager told me that I need to get a card or something. I work here in Osaka, and I need it for my job.
Yes, all non-Japanese nationals must make an application for alien registration within 90 days of arrival in Japan.
I was given instructions on how to apply. Could you refresh my memory on the procedure?
Okay, I'll need to see your passport, invitation letter from the Japanese government, birth certificate, bank cards, and some recent passport photos.
My application was rejected last time because my passport was being processed by the police station. Is this a problem?
There is no penalty for reapplying for the card. If you have all the information, we can begin the procedure right away.
No problem. There you go.
You should remember that you must carry this card with you at all times. When a policeman or other public official requests to see your alien registration card, you are obliged to show it.
Hey, this is all in Japanese. What do I fill out on this line?
This here is where you write your family name or surname.
Oh, I don't have a home phone number. What do I fill out here then?
You can fill in a cell phone number or the number of the place where you are staying.
Okay. What does this mean?
Let's look at some words from the movie which may be new to you. Penalty. This is a type of punishment, often money that you have to pay if you don't follow the rules. If you don't fill in the form, you will have to pay a penalty. Obliged. If you are obliged to do something, this means that you have to do it. There is no choice. You are obliged to take your passport to the police station. Now let's look at how Alan uses the passive voice. Here's a clip from the movie.
I was given instructions on how to apply.
I was given instructions on how to apply. This sentence is in the past passive voice. We use the passive voice when we don't know who did the action. We don't know who gave Alan the instructions, but it is not important for the meaning. Let's look at another example from the movie.
My application was rejected last time.
My application was rejected last time. To make the passive in the past, we use was, were, and the past participle of the verb. Like, was rejected. My application was rejected. Or, I was given instructions. Let's look at some more examples of the past passive. The wrong passport was sent back to me. The form was lost in the post. Good work. Now it's your turn. Fill in the gaps of this sentence using the passive voice. I was given instructions on how to apply. Now try this. My passport was taken by the police. Now, Can you remember a word which might fit in this gap? Here's a hint. It's a type of punishment. There is a penalty for parking your car in this area. Can you think of a word you've learned today to fit in this gap? You are obliged to take your passport to the police station every month. Well done. Today you've learnt some useful words for formal or official situations, like penalty and obliged. You've also learnt how to form the past passive voice. You've learnt to say things like, I was given instructions on how to apply, and my application was rejected last time. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Bye for now.